Hello, Chef here, and today I've got a carrot. I'm going to give you a super easy carrot garnish. So, garnish number one, let's see, we're going to take this carrot and we're going to just trim a little bit off the bottom like this. Doesn't matter how many cuts you do, you just want to achieve something like this. The scraps, by the way, you know where those are going, right? Chicken stock. Okay, super easy flour from a carrot right here. You just go around and around like this, and then when you're done, you give a little snap. The tip of the knife, it's going to pop right off. Okay, that's the first flour right there. So simple. And the next flour I'm going to do is going to be thin slices like this. This knife cuts beautifully, as you can see. Razor sharp, made in Germany. These are Porsche knives. Type 301 Chroma. It's actually a Porsche turbo knife. You can see the cuts that I just made there out of one little piece of carrot. Pretty nice. So I'm going to use just some of these, and I'm using a core cutter. If you don't have a core, you can score one. Make one of these flowers. Alright, I'm just going to do some round circles like this. And repeat. And I'm going to line the flour up just like this. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. That's a pretty cool looking flower. Yeah. Support your sponsor. Score the knives there. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. End-grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.